that stock. HSBC has retained a buy rating on Bharti with a target of 1940, 22% upside. Harsh Johnson with the rationale for that. Harsh.
Well, it's a very interesting note, Neeraj, and picked it up because a couple of interesting points made by Jeffries, and those points stand out. What doesn't stand out, the first part of that is the tariff hike expected to continue in FY26 and ramp up in FY27. They're expecting ARPUs to touch 301 rupees, which is a largest kind of increase, and they expect ROIC improvement to continue, which is return on invested capital. That number will continue to improve over the next 2 years. They're expecting subscriber migration to higher buckets with regard to data plans, and that's due to higher data usage that is coming through. You're also expecting gains in high value postpaid subscribers, and therefore all of that will lead to an ARPU increase to 301 rupees. The home broadband is also expected to do well. It's expected to grow at a CAGR of around 24%, FY24 to 27. That's the 3-year period where it will likely double. That's the expectation, and thus they're expecting EBITDA and EPS CAGRs of 15% and 75% respectively. EBITDA 15% CAGR and EPS CAGR of 75%. All of this will likely lead to higher dividend as well. So your dividend is expected to double up, and this is where the view stands out. 17 rupees per share is the expected dividend which HSBC is penciling in. They are expecting this also on the back of the fact that the holding company of Bharti Airtel also needs to service debt, and that will come into focus in FY26-27. This is a view which really stands out versus some of the other brokers, and they are therefore suggesting that dividend will actually double in FY26 itself on the back of higher free cash flow. This slightly differentiated view is why we've picked this up.
Okay, thanks for that, Harsh. So keep an eye out for Bharti Airtel. Not that it's had a big bang start, but could be interesting for sure.